Hi guys, let's tour to Enchanted Cave. It's a natural cave formation that harbors a unique underground pool filled with turquoise water. It is located inside the privately owned resort along the coast of Bolinao. The Enchanted Cave is said to be a huge coral reef that emerged underwater as a result of evolution. It is believed that millions of years ago, the town of Bolinao was once a part of the sea due to the discovery of coral, limestone rocks, and fossil plains around the area. The natural cave now holds a pool of cool water within its wall that is accessible through a 14.2-meter descending stairway. The enchanted cave's depth is estimated to be around 3 feet to 6 feet and it can fit up to 16 people. It is well lit and well ventilated. However, there are certain areas inside the cave where tourists are restricted from entering for safety measures. Okay, let's go to the cave. Parang nakita niyo na yung dagat sa ilalim. Dating sa ilalim ng dagat, ngayon nagpasyalan. Ayan, may swimming pool pa siya. We're going to the cave now. Those are real coral reefs. You can see the mountain is formed of coral sea. The Enchanted Cave is the highlight of an entire eco park in Bolinao. The cave showcases clear waters and fascinating stalactites. The water level inside the cave usually measures around 7 to 10 feet. Safety equipment and gear are provided to visitors prior descending to the cave. The Eco Park itself has various other features like a swimming pool and shower rooms, station of the cross area, and many beautiful spaces for guests to take tons of Instagrammable pictures. So we're here in the cave, inside the cave now. The water is so cold. Excited yung anak ko bumabaw. Medyo nervous na. Ayan, hindi na kami sa gitna ni Sarah. Hindi ko abot. Sobrang lalim and sobrang lamig.
Where's me?
There is you.
Where?
There, in the middle. In the pool. We're there, oh. Ayan. Sobrang lalim. Look at you. Right there. Yan. Binidyo kayo sa ilalim. Then, bumaba dun sa pinakadulo. Wala nang oxygen doon. A bit oxygen lang. Ayan na. Hindi mo masyadong makita yung coral. It's super nice. The water is clear. Very cold. Ayan yung mga coral reefs. Wala na mga oxygen, so hanggang dito lang ako kasi ayoko na pumasok doon, natatakot na yun. Ayan yung dulo. ilalagay ko yung cellphone ko sa ilalim. Yan, madaling sa parting yun. Tingin doon. Wow. It's wow. Ilalim ng kuweba. Yan. So, yun ang screen light best ko dahil hindi ka makalangoy. Feeling abot yarn. Inabot ko kung hanggang saan. Kung masyadong malalim. Inapit ko na lang ulit. The view is so nice. Thank you for watching. If you like it.
Wow.